Let's see how to remove margins in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to remove the margins for this particular document. And so what that will mean is that instead of the text starting here at this part, text is now going to start here, sticking to the left part of the page or at the top. So go ahead and remove the margins. First, want to head on over to the Layout tab, and from here, look for Margins. Now go ahead and click on Custom Margins, and from here, let's set our margins to 0. So we're going to be setting the top margin, the left margin, the bottom margin, and the right margin all to 0. And you will be able to see what that will look like on the preview down here at the bottom. Now, when you click OK, that would also adjust contents of our page. As you can see in our text right here, it is now stuck to the left and at the top part of our document. And that is how you can remove margins in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.